Alright, hey guys, so I'm here, you know, just a casual day, and look who it is! Oh my god, I'm freaking out. Okay, I'm freaking out. Okay, I need to calm down. Take Instagram story excited, multiply that by like 100. I'm so excited. Okay, wait, redo. Hey guys, it's Eitan and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm in beautiful Los Angeles, California. I'm here for some super exciting things, but the most exciting thing definitely has to be that I am cooking for my all-time favorite person, LILLY Singh, also known as iiSuperwomanii on YouTube. If you've been following me for a while on this YouTube channel and on Instagram, then you know how big of a fan I am. So I'm super excited that I'm gonna be cooking for a shoot she's doing. I'm doing kind of craft services, and I'm gonna take you guys along with me the whole process. I'm now in the kitchen cooking, and you guys are gonna be with me the whole thing through some of the cooking, bringing the food, meeting her, and me freaking out after. So all right, let's show you guys what we're cooking in the kitchen. All right, let me show you what's going on. So right over here, I'm making some popcorn cookies. So I know that kind of sounds a little weird. Here's what they look like when they're done. But I know that she is a huge fan of popcorn. It's her favorite food. So when I met her the first time, here's the picture over here. Oh my God, I look terrible. I made these for her, and she actually ate them on her vlog channel and said she liked them, so I'm making them again, and they're actually really good. So if you like popcorn and cookies, I highly suggest mixing the two. Oh my God, guys. Okay, we were back in the hotel, and I just got the email with tomorrow's schedule, and I'm on the schedule, Chef Eitan on the schedule. Oh my God, I'm freaking out. Okay, I cannot believe it's tomorrow. I am freaking out, 100% freaking out. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking because I can go on forever saying how much I'm freaking out, but I'm so excited. Okay. It's tomorrow. Hey guys, all right, so it is the, I'm so excited. Okay, wait, redo. Hey guys, all right, so it is the day. Oh my God, I'm so excited. We're in the car, we are heading to Lily's house. As you can see back here, we have all the food. We have brownies, cookies, crudité platter, 2 types of hummus, guacamole, tons of great food. I'm so excited, I'm freaking out. Oh my God, I'm so excited. You guys are gonna be coming along with me. We'll film whatever we can. I'm just so excited to meet her. Okay, I'm freaking out. Okay, I need to calm down. All right, see you guys later. Oh my gosh, guys. All right, so I'm here. I'm whispering because they're filming right now, but I cannot believe this. Oh my God, I'm in her house right now. Look at this, the famous sign. Check this out. All the food. Lots of food. Oh my God, I'm so excited. She's finishing up filming something, and then she's gonna come down. I'm so excited. I'm literally freaking out. All right, hey guys, so I'm here, you know, just a casual day, and look who it is. It is Lily. Oh
I'm his biggest fan. I am your biggest fan.
Oh my God.
This is what this is.
Much.
This is me meeting a fan.
Oh
no, this is you meeting a fan.
All right, here.
It's both.
Oh my God. Yeah, so basically I made Lily today a huge Unicorn Island / Superwoman themed, so I'll show you what we made. So I kind of themed it all around you, Unicorn Island and everything. So we have the pipoca cookies, which I made the first time I met you. Which, oh my God, when you put on the vlog, I was in school, my mom works at the school I go to, I stopped everything, ran to her class, I was like, oh my God, I'm in Superwoman's
And now you're in my house, look at that. Reach for the stars.
It feels like a movie set.
Really? I'm glad that we pulled you.
So the pipoca cookies, then Broken's brownies, Manjeet's Money Buddies, who's my favorite character of all time.
Very good, first class.
Yes, Manjeet Singh, Sector 17, Chandigarh, Punjab.
Wow, that was really good.
I love Manjeet. Then we got Paramjeet also over here, the pita chips. I love her. For those who don't know, Lily has a new show on IGTV called Spice News, my favorite thing ever.
Oh really?
Every time when it comes out, I'm like, oh my God, I need to stop everything. So you have Spice News hummus that I know Lily loves Chipotle, and Kyle, her assistant. So you have Chipotle style guac, Misako's lemon garlic hummus, and then lots of crudité and everything.
Lots of what?
Crudité.
Wow.
The fancy word for vegetables.
What a fancy word. I am in awe. Can I just say that I am in awe of this human being, and if I had to put, I always said this already, but if I had to picture a perfect person that watches my videos, it's you. He's so handsome, and he's so sweet, he's a feminist, and he cooks. What even is this? This is the perfect human being. I need 10 clones immediately. Someone, stat.
Thank you.
Alright, I'm gonna put my hair up because now you saw how impressive my hair was, and I can put it back up so it doesn't matter. This is my equipment / prop closet. So we have male wigs and female wigs, all the stuff. Exactly. I'll give you some of this before you leave, don't worry.
Well, I actually just ordered some new stuff.
A hero. A true hero, a legend, an icon. Over here, this is our ever-exploding prop costume closet. So anytime, some Fantastic Beasts when I release my tour dates, I wore this. Cool. And this is Jessica's shirt. So this is where we keep all of our stuff.
That's so cool.
You said you ordered some, but have some more. Have some more freaky. So this is the older one, this is the newer one.
Oh, sure, I'd love it.
Yeah, here, I'll give you two for you.
Oh, perfect. We give grandma.
Yeah, there you go.
Oh my
Boom,
God,
boom,
thank
boom,
you.
of course. Free stuff, free stuff.
Oh my God, that's so cool. Thank you.
Of course, my pleasure. All right.
Also, hi, Chase.
All right, let's check upstairs. Scarborough's right there. Scarborough, maybe come. Yes, okay, to be such a grown boy. The house is in a little bit of disarray right now. It's set up to shoot spicy news right now.
Oh, really? Oh,
Yes, this is my parents over here.
oh my God.
This is them. This is Manjeet and Paramjeet. Nice to meet you. Very
Oh my
good.
God, that's so cool.
Alright, they're there. This is
It looks exactly like it does on camera. This
Yeah?
is so cool.
It just is messy probably right now too. This is Sam, this is Hannah.
Hi, guys. You all right?
Oh yeah, well you guys told me that. Yeah. So I actually did some cooking yesterday too.
Oh, really?
I baked Kyle a surprise cake.
Oh, really?
So it was a Harry Potter themed cake. It's destroyed now, but I'll show
Oh, yeah, I
you.
know you used to make cakes.
Yeah, so I made another one last night.
Oh, you made that? Oh, wow.
Yeah, it was
I can't
this.
even make cake that good. Whoa, that's really good.
Thanks, I really tried. And then I had the
Wow.
Harry Potter like cupcakes and stuff. So that's today's vlog, which is probably coming out momentarily. And I did the Gryffindor colors inside.
Oh, wow.
Are you proud of me?
Yeah, that's so good. Oh my God.
That's cool. The head. That was the head, and these are like the Quidditch rings.
Oh my God.
You know.
I was telling my mom like that you go all out for
Go
things,
big, go
and
home.
I try.
I'm
It's
exactly like
honestly
that.
like a blessing and a curse at the same time.
Me the
Yes,
same.
it is a blessing or curse
Yeah.
to raise someone who goes all the way.
We can go upstairs. So I don't know if you had a chance. Oh no, you didn't.
Oh my gosh, I just got back in the car. I'm literally freaking out. That was like 100 times better than I ever expected. Like I had high expectations and hopes, but that was, oh my God, that was insane. Okay, I later I'm gonna talk again to you guys about this because right now I'm just freaking out, so like I can't articulate anything. But oh my gosh, this was the coolest day ever. Lily was so nice, so authentic in person. She's just amazing. Okay, I can't even like think straight right now. I'm freaking out. So I'll talk to you guys later tonight once I can like decompress and then express what I want to say. Okay, so I'll talk to you guys later tonight. All right, bye. Hey guys, alright, so it is now the next day and I finally been able to like process everything and now hopefully can articulate to you guys because as you know, like when I get excited, I just like freak out and I can't talk. So yeah, yesterday was literally the coolest day ever. Lily is like the most genuine and kind person, just like she is on camera in real life. Like it's so amazing to meet your idol and have them be like exactly as awesome or probably even more as awesome than they are on camera. So that was really great. Lily was so nice. She tried all my food, as you guys saw. Also, definitely go check out her vlog channel. I don't know if it's out yet, but I will link below to her vlog channel. We recorded a bunch of segments for her vlog, which was also super cool. I cannot wait to watch it. And she was just the best. She tried all my food. She gave us a tour of her house. We met all of her team. We hung out for a while talking to her. It was cool learning about her. I was showing her about me. And yeah, she was just the nicest person ever. She gave me a bunch of her merch, which you guys will see in her vlog. It was just so amazing. She even invited us back for the rest, whenever we are available, the rest of our days in Los Angeles, which we're definitely going to try to come because, like, how can you pass up that offer? And she was just absolutely amazing. Like, seriously, if you're not already, definitely go follow her. I linked all of her social media, her merch, everything down below. And, oh my God, I still cannot believe that happened. This is so cool. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. For all the new people from Lily's channel, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and please subscribe down below, and to everyone else. If you want to see more of my videos, hit that like button because, oh my God, this was the craziest thing that's ever happened. And, ooh, coughing. And comment down below what was your favorite part of the video, or have you ever met your idol, and how was it? I want to know. Comment down below. Alright, I'm super excited. I'm now going to go edit this vlog, post it, and post on Instagram this awesome picture we got. Oh, speaking of that, check out this picture we took. We took lots of great pictures, so it was fun. Alright, I'm rambling now. Thank you for watching. Bye!